Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right CAD plan and gathering what you need. This saves back and forth later. Once done, assemble 3-5 portfolio images, clear prices, and a concise bio to build trust. Then choose a one-page layout so visitors can scan quickly. Make sure to map sections: header, portfolio, commissions, FAQ, contact. You're acting like a curator. Each item must support your offer. This initial setup gets the site live faster and avoids redesigns. Now you assemble the main blocks. Start with a concise header that states what you do and a clear CTA button that jumps to the commission form. Once the header is set, add portfolio entries with titles, medium, size, and price or tier. People need context. Then build the commission form. Require name, brief description, reference file upload, budget, and deadline to set expectations. Make sure to enable email notifications so you never miss new requests. Finish by connecting payments and policies so transactions flow and clients feel safe. You should set a deposit percentage, outline revision limits, and include turnaround estimates. Once connected, preview the site on mobile and desktop, test every link, and check form delivery to your email. If a form doesn't arrive, first check spam, then verify webhook settings and email address. If payments fail, confirm API keys and account verification. Publish when everything works, and monitor responses closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.